extraction of lower right 5, 6, 7, 8. Come with me. I am on the side of the teeth to be extracted. Patient's already numb. I'm starting off with the laxator. Open wide. Open wide. So for this one, see, I'm supporting the jaw. I'm going buccal to the tooth, just gently separating the gum. Always under control. And then I take my lower molar forceps, open wide. The tooth may crumble, I know that. So I go as down as possible. See that? I push with my thumb. And I rotate. Figure of 8. Maintaining apical pressure. Section. Take your time, nice and slowly. And once the tooth is loose, you pull the tooth out. Look at the grip. This is what you should be aiming for, the grip, the correct one. This is number 1. In the bend, go open wide. This is roots, easy. So you just go between the roots, like so, and elevate them separately, one by one. That's one root. And do the same for the other one. Very easy because of the chronic infection. And then you have a look at the tooth at the back. Open wide. Open wide.
Big stretch, Lawrence.
Same way. You grab the tooth from the bottom. Push with your thumb. No pulling, only pushing. Crown came off as expected. And then you go back. Open wide. Go even further down. See how decayed the tooth is? No pulling, just rotation. Just rotation. Figure of 8. Look at the grip. Okay, the last one is the 5 root, as you can see here. Gently. Gently, gently, gently. And like Khadija said, the tooth is out.
Gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do.